know who made it.
Alright, what's good, y'all? You know, we back again, another video. Hold on, let me go turn this other mic off. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Y'all back again with another one. On the ones and twos, you hear the fan going in the background, and then you don't. In 3, 2, 1. Boom, noise cancellation. If y'all ain't got these mics, man, to record y'all content, I don't know what to tell you, dog. And this ain't even on no fancy nothing. You know what I'm saying? I got that mounted to my phone. You see that? You know what I'm saying? It's mounted to my phone. Y'all see Shawty Red? Shawty Red doing what she do best. Gleaming in the light. Looking good in the mud, nigga. You know. But yeah, man. Brought y'all on here to show y'all what Shawty do. Or do not do no more. So here recently, I guess I busted a speaker, and I wanted to get you guys' opinion on what I should go with next. I ain't gonna lie to you, I low-key don't even want to ride the bike because I ain't got my sounds. Crazy, right? So this time I figured I'm gonna do it right with my speakers. I don't know what the reason is for that speaker bursting. I do know that those are 2 ohm speakers there, and I want to say these kickers over here that I had was also 2 ohm. Yeah, so these was 2 ohm. So technically, the speakers was on 1 channel each. So 2 ohm and 2 ohm, they could take it down to 1 ohm, which could have made the amp like unstable or whatever. I don't think the amp ever struggled. However, yeah. So I'm thinking about going with either all 4 kickers, but I'm gonna do the 4 ohms. So when I do 4 ohm and 4 ohm, I go to 2 ohm. And that's probably how I'll do it. But I wanted to get you guys' opinion on what brand of speaker are you running. Now, I don't know that I'm ready to break the bank and buy Cicadas, or break the bank and buy Hertz. I think those are the 2 that I'm looking at. I just don't know that I'm ready to get them right now. So there's that. So like, I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, right now all the sound is coming out of oh no, not that. I got everything coming to the right. So there's nothing coming out that right at all. If I put it to the right, like nothing. I really don't listen to the radio, so I really can't tell you what station. Apparently there's something but you can't hear it even if it was. But yeah. Anyway, that's what we looking at, man. I am not trying to. Can I just type it in? Oh, okay. I mean, the antenna is not in the best spot. It's not even like standing up. Like it's my antenna runs like long way. It's kind of hidden in the bike. So, but anyway, we gonna have to pull. We're gonna have to pull the fairing. Pull the fairing, pull the pods. Pull the fairing, pull the pods to replace the speakers. That's probably one thing I don't care for with this street glide. On top of that, I may have to move the radio and the amps and all that shit out the way just to get to the speaker pods to replace it. So honestly, I'm not really trying to do this again anytime soon. So I'm curious because I've read different things about even the Hertz. I've seen some people say that they got blown, but I mean, it could have been the way that it was set up. So all in all, I'm either looking at, if I go with the Hertz and that's the last time I have to buy any speakers, I'm looking at like what, $900. So which I mean shouldn't take long to, know what I'm saying, do what I need to do with that. But so that's, and $900 is, like I said, all four, you know what I'm saying, uppers and lowers. So I don't know. So give me y'all feedback. Let me know what y'all think. What speaker are you running in your uppers or lowers? You know what I'm saying, and go from there. Usually this would be a question that I would put on a forum or like a Facebook group or something like that, man. But these days, I swear to God, people, I mean, of course, everybody has their own opinions, and I'm pretty sure that we'll get them in the comments here too. But everybody's gonna be like, have their I don't know. It's less constructive discussion that happens in those groups and forums. If y'all belong to any of them, I'm sure that y'all know. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think, and yeah. I guess until then, y'all can just call me One Speaker Shawty. I'm telling you, man, but don't get me wrong, like, I rode the other day, man, I was like, man, I'll just listen to my pipes. Pipes sound good. I'm probably gonna hop on it now. Listen to the pipes. Pipes sound good. But like I said, I'm not, it's more enjoyable when you got your tunes. It don't feel the same. So thank y'all for tuning in. Tune in next time. Also, let me know what y'all think about that 21 on the front. It's been on there a while, but I thought I'd just ask y'all what y'all thought. And what y'all think about a wrap fender? You know, them 24s got like the little chop fender on them. Like they don't even come with that no more. So of course, you know, we ain't thinking about getting rid of Shawty Red no time soon. So let me know what y'all think about giving Shawty that chop fender. And now granted, that'd be about $600, but I mean, that's cheaper than a $27,000 bike. So y'all let me know. Let me know what you think about the speakers. What brand, what type. Oh yeah, just for perspective, I am running the Hertz amplifier up there, SP 4.900. So that's the amp I'm running. So just let me know what you think about the speakers, and we'll go from there. I'm really thinking about going with the Hertz again. So y'all let me know what y'all think. And we out.